mga kalingap, good morning, no? Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I eat.
What?
I eat it.
You're eating. Maan po kami mga kalingap at pupunta kami ng fish pond ng farm ni Kuya Bal. Tama si Dundun. Dun, tira. Kain muna kami bago. Ha?
Titira.
Ano?
Titira lang dito.
Okay ka ra? Ayan, kain muna bago kami tutuloy kasi wala kaming baon. Para dire-diretso yung gawa namin ngayon. Tulong ka mamaya doon. Okay tayo.
Makain po?
Tutulong daw si Dundun mamaya. Mag-ukay kami doon. Sama lang natin dito si Glyza. Corona Official. Saka si Kalingap. Kalingap King.
Wow!
Kalingap King ka ba? Alright. Sama natin dito. Mamaya po si Pading Joey susunod at mayroon siyang lakad. Nauna na kami doon. At siyempre kain muna kami bago kami tutuloy doon. Alright. Kain doon. Wow. Not. What?
Hot.
What? It's a hut?
Yeah. It's so hot.
You see the chicken there?
Yeah. There. The chicken is there. The chicken is Poogie.
The chicken have a bang.
You know that guy? King, you know that guy?
Yeah.
What's the name?
I don't like that.
What?
Yeah.
You know that? You know this guy?
Wait a minute.
What?
Who are you?
Can you ask the name of this guy? Huh? Huh? Talk them.
You know me? You know me? I know you.
Yeah.
Dun, do you know?
What happened, Dundun?
It's winking.
He's drinking.
What happened with Dundun?
What happened? We're going now.
Kumukulot niya pa ako na kung saan yung
Far
isa-isa.
away.
Where?
Far away, wait. Go to Kubo.
Go to Kubo. Far away.
Yeah.
Far away.
Come on, let's go. Bye-bye that guy.
Bye-bye.
Katalikod. Wala sila, Reds?
Di pa na sila ka?
You know that I'm up here. You like the ants? You're going down.
Going down?
What is this?
What is that?
It's a ball.
What?
It's a ball.
It's a bowling.
I'm not with the
It's it's a buko. It's not a bowling. Yeah, buko.
What pulling down?
Huh?
What pulling the
It's
buko
falling
down?
down from the boko.
It's pulling down with buko.
Yes, because
It's pulling down with tree.
it's falling down.
But a tree then.
It's a mini buko.
Here.
What?
I need to what go out here.
Yes. Good.
Look at Dondo. This lakad with away. Look at that.
You put Kuya.
Kuya, Dondo, this help you.
Yeah, Kuya Dundun. Can you ask Dundun? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What asking Dundun?
Kuya, Dondo.
Okay ra? It's a buko.
Some more. And some more, Daddy.
Yeah, it's a more.
More. Look at that.
It's a more falling down.
Yeah, some more falling down. Someone in the many falling down in the book.
Yes.
So many. too many people.
You told Dundun wait.
Let's go with them.
Huh?
Let's go with them.
Let's go with them.
Look at that. That's
Yeah.
very careful.
Huh?
Careful
That-
with
it's
the
a bridge.
fly.
Huh?
Bridge, di ba?
Be careful, Daddy. Be careful there.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you careful.
Take this.
Huh?
Be careful there. I let go to water.
What?
I let go to water.
Yes. Because there's a bridge.
Yeah. Because the fish is kagat.
You know the name of that bridge?
Yeah.
What the name?
It's a bridge.
Yeah, this is the Sam Ashley Bridge.
A bridge.
Yes. You know?
Yeah.
What the name of that bridge?
A bridge.
Yeah.
It's a bridge is going to falling down.
It's a Sam Ashley Bridge.
Yeah.
We're not. That's why we're passing at the Sam Ashley Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. He's not falling down with the bridge.
Wow.
We're not falling down there.
Yeah. It says be careful.
Wow.
Careful there in the bridge.
Wow. Dundun is very faster.
Yeah. Don't do it very fast.
Kuya Dundun.
Kuya, don't.
Kuya Dundun, wait for me.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Look at us.
what happened?
High.
What?
Why so high there?
Why so high?
Why so high there?
Why so very high?
High here.
Yeah, because the mountain is very high.
Yeah. The mountain.
Yeah, the mountain province.
Yeah.
Province of Tralala. So, saan tayo ngayon?
Andito tayo sa mundok ng Trarara.
Sabihin mo sila saan tayo.
Andito tayo sa mundok.
Nang?
Where's Dondon?
Dundun is over there.
It's rounding with pass.
It's drowning with fast.
Rounding with pass with Dondon.
Yes.
So fast with Dondon.
So fast. Kuya Dundun is so fast.
Yeah, Kuya Dondon is very fast.
Yeah. You like this if you vlogging like this. Like, yan.
Kuya Dondon is very fast here.
Yes.
Look, the pineapple's over there. Like a pineapple.
Kita mo yung pineapple. Yeah. Yan.
Look.
Look, the pineapple is there.
Yeah,
Mm.
like a hot. It's
What?
so hot here.
Ah, very hot.
Yes, very hot. Why so hot in here? With the mundok is hot. With the mundok is hotting.
Yeah, because no more bubong here.
Yeah, no more bubo.
Be careful. You hold properly our cell phone.
Okay.
Why you're vlogging? Like this.
Huh?
You vlog on your own na ba?
Grab your own nose. Let's hold up. Oh.
Nandito tayo sa mundok dahil umaalis tayo. Tapos nandito si Dad sa tabi ko sa likod.
Tapos,
Ayun si Dondon nang lalakad siya.
Be careful.
Dundun is walking.
Dondon's walking. Kuya Dondon is walking.
Very faster, no?
Yeah, very faster. Can I hold, Daddy? Because
Nangalay.
tayo, malapit na
Are you
yun.
tired na ba?
Malapit na?
Malapit na po yun.
Malapit na.
Mahuhulog tayo dito.
You want to vlogging?
Not, because I'm tired.
You're not vlogging?
You're not vlogging na because you're so
That's
tired.
so gross.
You tired na?
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman.
I'm not tired.
Wow. Joke lang yan.
Joke lang.
It's joke only?
Yeah, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
I'm not tired.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Wow.
I'm fine.
Are you fine?
What?
Oh, be careful. Oh. You're going to lag. Yeah?
Kuya Dondon's over there.
Yeah.
Kuya Dondon.
Kuya Dundun is very faster, no?
Yeah. You're faster too. You're so fast.
Oh, what is that?
What's that so?
What is this?
It's not so like that.
This one.
It's a pineapple.
Wow, very good.
I told you that it's a pineapple. No many.
Chumini, no?
Yes, so many pineapple. Pineapple here.
Yeah?
So many pineapple. Look.
It's delicious.
Yeah, very expensive.
Oh, very expensive. Oh my gosh.
Very expensive with pineapple.
Ah,
Very expensive.
be careful, ah.
Yeah. Over there, mahuhulog tayo.
Yeah, be careful, be careful.
Hey, Daddy, help me!
No, you can do it yourself. No. Slowly. Slowly but surely.
Ay!
Hold this. Come on.
Yeah. Nahulog ako.
It's okay?
Falling down.
You're falling down?
Kadali lang pala yun dito.
Madali lang.
Yes, it's not falling down.
Andun kay Joey? Oo, andun kay Joey para susunod daw siya. Palagyan ng handle.
Hey, Daddy, wait for me.
Oo.
Hey, Daddy,
What?
wait for me there.
You walk na.
I'm walking.
You're walking at the damuhan.
Yeah, we're walking with Damuhan.
Yeah, with damuhan.
Over there, I see them.
I see them. You see them what?
There, a window. See them.
You see them the bundok? Huh?
Hey, Daddy, help me.
What?
I'm not here.
What happened?
I'm really over.
What?
Up here.
Jury apak here.
Look at the damo-damo.
Look at the damu-damu.
It's so big.
It's so bigger.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tired.
We here.
I'm sitting down.
Are you tired?
I want to eat strawberry.
What?
I have candy here.
Are you have candy?
Yeah, I have dala-dala with my here. With my backpack.
Your backpack is punit-punit.
Yeah.
You remove the your jacket.
Okay.
That's why it's so very hot.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I like my
I think it's very gutom. Ito ka. Oh, di ba? Pulok-pulok na sila.
Mini-mini oh.
Yan na lang po yung natira. Kara. Kara. So, di ba marami pa?
May mga malalakian.
Hindi makita eh.
Meron. Yan
Ano
oh.
no?
Meron.
Oo. Ayun, laki. Hindi kaya sila namimingwit dito? Wala na yung mga bingwit yan eh. Yung din sa may tubo. Yan o. Kumakain sila. O, di ba?
I love here, Daddy.
Ha?
I love here.
No.
I'm holding this. I go purang in the fish pan.
Trabaho na po si Dundun. Tama na muna yan. Tingnan muna doon. Tingnan muna. Mahinay lang.
Meron. Hoy, umulan na.
Kunti may. Ito doon ba to? Merienda po tayo. Sana doon. Sunod ba? Sunod bang saging? Ito. Sunod bang saging? Pagod. Gawin ko nga paangat mo dun ah. Let's kid ka, hindi ka makaano nito. Hindi ka makarelate. Sa akin na lang daw, habi yung dundod.
Hulog pa.
Pwede ay. Bako na to ron.
Pagod ka doon?
Ha? Di man ato manon. Di na ato ayoko lang. Ako, may pinapil ba? Ako, ikat na to lang. Tapak na to. Atong ba yung lahi na siya? Ano yung bangga? Kanya lang ito taas.
Daddy, are we doing it out there?
What are you doing out there?
What about it?
Don't use my phone.
Okay. Hey! Go out.
So yun po mga kalingap. Pagod na kami ni Dondon.
At
Ang aming
pagod na
nagawa.
ako dito. being a vlogger at pagod na akong vlogger dito.
Bakit ka napagod?
Pagod na ako ang vlogger.
Pagod yung hindi mo nag-vlog.
Malalim po yan, oh. Kung natanggal lahat yung putik na yan, oh.
Hey, mommy, I'm over here.
Dami.
Hihi ako, mommy.
Lawak po.
Okay. Dito ako.
Kami lang kasi ni Dundun, mga kalingap, no. Tinulungan ako ni Dundun. Yan yung aming nagawa, oh. Pilapil. Malalim na. Kailangan matanggal namin tong mga putik na to. Ayan, maiangat namin yan lahat. Paikot.
T-shirt ba ako? Sabit lang? Hindi, jacket ko ba yun?
You're very noisy. I'm vlogging.
Very noisy.
Yeah.
Parang bibisa ko parang doon sa loob ng tricycle.
Saan?
Loob ng tricycle.
Ayan po mga kalingap.
At nandito
Pagod na kami ni Dundun.
Can I wash my frocks, mommy? It's basa.
Isbasa.
Hindi okay.
Sana bukas sa buong araw kami dito.
Parang kung ano.
Matanggal namin
inanap
to lahat.
ko. May basa.
Yung mga lupa
Parang
na yan.
basa.
May angat namin.
Maingay.
Kasama si Joey. Hindi nakasama si Joey ngayon mga kalingap kasi nasa hospital siya. Meron siyang pasyente. Si Joey the Great, yung aking paddy. Ang aking partner. Ayan. Hinay-hinay lang mga kalingap ang paggawa kasi mabigat. Mabigat po yung putik. Pag natanggal namin tong putik lahat, sasarado na namin yung binuksan dyan na exit.
Ay, put it doon. Put it doon.
Dami ring naiangat na lupa, oh. Naiangat namin ni Dundun.
Angat niyo.
Are you okay?
Yes, ay putuling.
Putuling.
Sa kahoy. That is okay for me. Okay lang yan.
What English of kahoy?
Isa,
Wood.
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 Sa wood.
Anong channel mo?
Kings na rin. Parang na rin channel ko. Channel ko.
Complete.
Dirty yan, dirty.
No, I putuling this. It's complete.
No, this not a putuling because ano.
It's a kawayan.
Are you going home na?
No, ay putuling pa.
Hindi mo na. Daddy, it's hard na.
You're ligpit-ligpit na because I'm very tired.
It's timing.
Ha?
Timing lang yun.
Timing lang? Don't worry.
Yeah.
Be happy.
Yeah.
Ulit na yung bag mo.
Yan, uwi na kayo mga kalingap para baka abutan pa kami ng ulan.
Dalawin ko to sa ganito.
Bukas
Dalawin
ulit
ko yan sa dalawin ko
ng
sa
umaga.
ano house ito. Ganito ko.
Mga kalingap, magpakain muna tayo. Bago tayo umuwi. Yung tayong biniling pagkain. Ayun. Kain muna kayo. Dami, oh. Yan, kain muna kayo. Laglag, malaglag ka. Diyan ka lang. Wait for me. Shh. Malaglag ka dyan. Malaglag ka dyan. Diyan ka lang. Kaya na pumunta rito. Papakain lang ako ng tilapia. Ha? Hindi, malalaglag ka dito. Malunod ka. Alright. Kain kayo, kain. Hindi nga. May buhaya dito, may crocodile dito, kakainin ka. Meron.
Wala naman po, patay at walang buhaya.
Meron buhaya dito.
Wala!
Tingnan mo, lalabas yung buhaya dito.
Wala nga, hindi lalabas.
You know, dumudungaw yung buhaya, oh.
Hindi nga bupa ha.
Buha. So, yan pa mga kalingap. Marami pa sila. No? Manatili lang sila dyan. Tumubo na yung kangkong. Konsumo rin nila yan. Ayan. Nakatambak tayo ng isang tulinada. Nakaahon tayo ng isang tulinada ang lupa. Sama si Dondon. Tira ka doon? Okay na? Uli na ta? O sige. Tayo lang doon. Ayan, maraming salamat po mga kalingap. Hanggang dito na lang yung video na to. No? Update po sa ating fish pan. Dito sa fish pan ni Kuya Bal. Ulitin natin para pagandahin natin ulit yung ating fish pan. So yan lang po yung aming nagawa ni Dondon ngayon. Yan, iangat naming lupa. Mula dun sa dulo hanggang dito. Tapos dito sa tabi ng kubo. Yan. Kami naming naiangat ni Dondon. So, dalawa lang kami. So yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat mga kalingap. Sa lahat po ng nagsusubaybay at nanonood po ng aming mga video. Thank you so much. God bless po sa inyong lahat, mga viewers, subscribers at mga minamahal naming mga sponsor. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa mga kababayan po nating mga OFW. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood po ninyo na hindi mag-skip ng ads at sa patuloy po ninyong suporta. Yan, saan mang sulok kayo ng mundo ay lagi po kayo mag-iingat at ingatan po kayo ni Lord sa lahat ng oras. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe. Alex Librada Vlog. At si Glyza Baruna Official. Yan. Nagre-ready na. Thank you so much. God bless at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye you. Please subscribe. Nagulat. Si mami mo yung nagulat. What is that?
The stick.
Stick? For what?
For the house.
For the house?
Wala po ako dahil. Bakit? Asaan ka?
Be careful, be careful.
Look at that.
You okay? You look your way. That's why you're falling down.
Look the water there.
Yeah, the water is running.
Yeah. The dahon is falling down. Now it's falling down.
The down is falling down.
Yeah. Look at that flower. It's falling down.
It's falling downing. It's falling downing.
Yeah. Down.
Falling down.
Hey, it's for me.
Yeah, be faster. Where's mommy?
There.
Hmm. Come on.
Dalhin nga to, dalhin.
What is that?
Buko.
No? No need na, no need.
Walang laman.
No need. No need.
Another.
Another.
Another one.
Another one.
What is this?
I don't know.
The Crocs.
It's a Crocs.
The Mega. Mega Joey.
Medyo si Joey. Medyo si Joey yan.
Yung Joey yan na Mega.
Bakit iniwan niya doon?
Kasi, ano usap na hurt.
Na-hurt yung hands niya.
Tapos feet niya, napilay.
Pwit niya nabilay.
Ang feet niya, ay napilay.
Pit niya.
Yung pit.
Pilay.
Kala ko puwit. Pit pala.
Feet yun eh.
Pit. Yeah,
Sumasakit at may pilay.
the pit of Kuya Joey is pilay.
Yeah.
My goodness. Mika Pastor.
Wait for me.
Why?
Because you're away.
What?
You're away. You know this, right? Look at the house. We got the untog.
We got a untog.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
So many puppies.
Look.
Dog.
Dog. Dear. Sweet.
Here.
Out!
I heard
Mika Pastor.
the manok.
Yeah.
The
Chicken.
The chicken is there.
Let's go down.
Let's go down. Come on. Hey, no need to buy na. Come on. Hey, come on na. Come on.
We're going by that, ano.
There, at the house.
There na nga eh.
No, get inside na.
Ayaw kinangalan. Para ka.
Napilitan.
Come on. Ulan na, ulan.